rehearsal, gang. So I threw some clothes on. Yo, I still ain't brushed my damn teeth. Look, like, I'm about to do it now because I'm about to shower and stuff. You know, wash my tail, do my hair, slick it back for work. So I re-washed my clothes. If y'all watched my last video, y'all will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, before I get into it, and I have to remember to tell y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. I ain't gonna beat y'all down about it, but I mean, it'll help a sister out. So I came back in the house after dropping the kid off. If you looked at my first video, you know what I'm talking about. So I logged on. I don't have any emails, which is good, which means I'm not going to be busy today. So I'm washing laundry because my son, well, these are my clothes, but my son has so much crap that needs to be washed. So I'm about to get started on that. And I should have cussed those maintenance guys out when I seen them when I went around the corner, because where's my new dryer? Like, this is crazy. Like, I have to use this to start my dryer. Like, ghetto. Pay too much damn money to be here and for this to be a luxury community. Luxury. And my damn, that's the only thing when you renting. Because when I first got here and I told them about this washing machine and dryer, I was like, I want a new one. Oh, we just replaced. Where you replaced? It don't look replaced. It looks used, refurbished. It's like, y'all lucky I don't go buy my own damn washing and dryer, because I'll take the shit with me when I leave. But ain't nobody trying to love all of that stuff up here. But I'm gonna get me a new dryer. Did I put my dryer sheets in? I don't know. Yo, and first of all, how in the world? Hold on. Yesterday, Bay did it for me, and I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get it, but I got it. So I'm about to start the first out of 3 loads for my son, and we'll use this Lysol sanitizer because he does go to school. Lord Jesus. It's about to get hit with all my stuff. Y'all know how I get. Like, I love my clothes. I love to smell myself on my clothes and this washed. And I feel like, dang, I used to be Jane smells good, but I feel like it don't really clean your clothes for real. So I switched to Tide. Tide smells great, especially with the damage. Jackets. And I'm gonna use some OxyClean. And none of this stuff stains your clothes or bleaches your clothes. Like, trust me, I read before I buy this. I need to get him some shout. I need to get some shout. That's what I need to get. But OxyClean is good, especially with the whites. When you put some bleach in there, OMG. So I don't think I'm gonna eat right now. I'm gonna just get one of my Starbucks coffees, but I'm gonna brush my teeth and get myself together, do my little skincare routine, because I need to be ready up and out of here so that I can get to my part-time. But I want to make sure that the laundry is done. That laundry room is a pretty decent size and a big size. I'm about to make his bed up. He takes his socks. My son does not like socks. Like, he will throw his socks any and everywhere. But he does not like socks. Sorry about being quiet. I just be in my zone for real. But so the beds have to be made. Like, I hate when they sit around and their room is not looking like decent or presentable. Really hate that. And my son be making his bed. Probably on the weekends, because I make it for him. Socks all underneath the bed. See, that's what I'm talking about. And that's his brother's side. Add that to the clothes to wash. Remote. These can go in the laundry. Pulling this jacket up. My son got about like 4 coats, I think. Boom. Beds are made. And then I always got to spray the rooms. I clean rooms up every day. So we gonna hit it. I wash the sheets, but I also, like, you know, spray the toys down, handles, cool, remote. Bam. Get these up, because these need to be washed. Oh, I'm too close, yo. Too close. Oh, I forgot to spray the air freshener. I'll spray it. So, yeah. I have that load to fold. This load to wash. That load to wash. Yay me. And gotta clean my kitchen up. I feel like I'm a stay-at-home mom and a work from home mom. Like, I am. Like, how did this happen? Gotta let God's ray of sunshine in. Spray mine. And I'm not even deep cleaning, y'all. Like, to be honest, I don't really deep clean all the time. because I just, oh, it's going in here. Tomorrow I'm going to Target. I get paid tomorrow. Going to Target. But yeah, I don't really deep clean every day because guess what? One, I'm not gonna do that. And two, I work. Three, I clean up damn near like every other day for real in between. So nothing is like really, you know, ever really dirty. But I do know I need to hit the boys' bathroom because son has pee on the toilet. So if you have boys, you know. And luckily, I don't have to share a bathroom with them. So I'm gonna get to it, but I ain't gonna get to it right now because I still gotta work. Make it seem like that I'm working. So yeah, I'm about to straighten up my kitchen and finish these clothes up. And I'm gonna catch you guys after I take a shower and look a little decent.